Chevrolet Colorado 2024, evolving dynamics and distinctive upgrades. In a surprising turn of events, the 2024 Chevrolet Colorado is set to embrace a series of notable changes, as revealed by the General Motors Fleet Order Guide. Fresh off a generational shift in the 2023 model, these revisions reflect a commitment to innovation and enhancement under the hood transformation. One of the key transformations lies in the nomenclature of the high-output turbocharged 2.7-liter four-cylinder engine, now aptly named the TurboMax engine, mirroring its silver auto counterpart. This powerhouse, producing 310 horsepower and 430 pounds-ft of torque, is now an optional feature for the WT and LT trims, while becoming a standard inclusion for the Trail Boss, Z71, and ZR2. Notably, the Turbo Plus variant, generating 310 horsepower and 390 pounds-ft, bids farewell, marking a strategic streamlining of engine offerings. Innovative technology integration. The 2024 Colorado boldly embraces technological evolution by making an 11-inch driver information display standard across all trims, replacing the erstwhile 8.0-inch screen. A thoughtful addition is witnessed in the WT Convenience package, which now incorporates a floor console, traditionally absent in the work truck trim. Furthermore, a Dark Essentials package, featuring a striking black boaty emblem, emerges as an available option for the WT, LT, and Z71 grades. The front fender decal package becomes a choice for the LT, Trail Boss, Z71, and ZR2. Enhanced safety features. In a bid to enhance safety, the advanced trailering package, when selected for the WT, LT, Trail Boss, and Z71, introduces blind zone steering assist with trailering, a feature that attains standard status in the ZR2 variant. Fresh aesthetic and functional additions. The ZR2, a beacon of off-road prowess, now offers 17-inch beadlock-capable wheels with a Tech Bronze decorative ring. Intriguingly, the ZR2 Bison Edition makes its debut in the 2024 lineup, featuring Multimatic front and rear jounce control dampers, Multimatic DS-SB dampers, power locking front and rear differentials, and a suite of offerings from American Expedition vehicles, including a winch-capable heavy-duty front bumper, fender flares, and a bed-mounted spare wheel carrier. A notable inclusion is the Baja mode with launch control, amplifying the ZR2 Bison's off-road capabilities. Exciting new options. A gamut of new options further diversifies the Colorado's appeal. The off-road lighting package, sports bar package, kicker stereo, hood decal package, black tailgate lettering, and black assist steps present a myriad of choices for customization. As the 2024 Chevrolet Colorado paves the way for a new era, blending performance, technology, and aesthetics, it promises an exhilarating journey for enthusiasts and truck aficionados alike.